rainbow. Make your shapes nice and big.
Excellent!
Imagine what this would look like in real life. Let's color in. Color inside the lines if you can.
Aha!
Let's try a different color for this